Hello, everybody. Ready for another grammar lesson? Let's look at some grammar. Okay, here we are. We are going to look at Unit 12, Lesson 3 in your Grammar Explorer textbook, pages 391 to 398. So the goals for this lesson. We are going to learn and practice possessive pronouns and WH questions with whose. Let's begin with possessive pronouns. So here you will see two types of possessives. We have possessive adjectives, my, our, your, his, her, its, their, and possessive pronouns, mine, ours, yours, his, hers, its, theirs. So the main difference is with possessive adjectives, you need a noun, right? My dog, our dog, your dog, his dog, her dog, its dog, their dog. But with possessive pronouns, they are the noun. So you do not add a noun. You don't say mine dog. You just say it's mine, it's ours, it's yours, it's his, it's hers, it's theirs. Okay, so possessive adjectives, you need a noun. Possessive pronouns, you do not need a noun. And you use these possessive pronouns in place of a possessive adjective plus noun. For example, I can ask, is this your phone? So your phone, we have possessive adjective and noun. No, it's her phone. Okay, so in this answer, we have another possessive adjective plus noun, her phone. But we can also use a possessive pronoun. Is this your phone? No, it's hers. So hers is a possessive pronoun, and we can use it instead of repeating the noun. When a possessive pronoun replaces a singular noun, use the singular form of the verb. So this is subject-verb agreement, right? Make sure the subject and the verb agree. For example, this is my book, singular. Hers is on the desk. These are my keys, plural. His are on the desk. You see hers and his, these possessive pronouns, they are the subject of the sentence. And I said this before, but I will repeat, do not put a noun after a possessive pronoun. So the book is mine. Good example. That is mine book. No, remember, mine is the noun, so we can't put noun. Okay? You can say that is my book, but not mine book. Okay, let's look at whose now. So WH question with whose. We often use whose plus a noun for questions about possession. For example, whose computer is this? I want to know, to whom does the computer belong? Whose computer is it? It's Gemma's. Okay, so then the answer tells me whose it is. It is not necessary to state the noun when it is understood by both the speaker and the listener. So if both you and I are talking and we know what we're talking about, you don't have to say the noun. For example, look at that beautiful car in the parking lot. Whose is it? So you can say, whose car is it, right? Whose car is it? But we don't need to repeat. Whose is it? Or whose are these, right? We're not saying the noun. Whose are these? They're mine. Maybe I'm holding something, like, whose are these? And you say, they're mine, okay? We don't have to say the noun because we understand what the noun is. Be careful, between whose and whose, they sound the same. So whose is the possessive, whose, who is, right? So whose apartment is best for the party? Good sentence. Tom's is. Who's your favorite classmate? So who is? Tom is. Okay, so pay attention to the difference because they sound the same, but they are not the same. And be careful about the word order in questions with whose plus a noun. So if you're asking about the subject, take a look. Whose car goes faster? Carl's does. So you notice we have whose is the subject, and then we have the object car, and the verb goes faster. Now, if you're asking about an object, it's different. Whose car did you take? We took Sally's. So notice here we have whose car, and then we need the helper verb, do, because we're asking about an object. So whose car did you take? All right, that's the end of this lesson. Please do your classwork now, and don't forget to turn in on Canvas. Thank you all.